Well, I had the first problem with the Hellcat today, and that's a flat tire. What a pain in the ass. Brand new tire. This is the first time I'm changing or taking the wheel off a Hellcat, so I'm just learning as I go, but you're gonna need a 22mm socket and an extension bar. I do like to use one of these sockets. It has this nylon sleeve that helps prevent scratches on your rims. However, I don't have this in a 22mm, so I'll just use a regular socket for now. But I highly recommend that you pick up one of these with the nylon sleeve because it does help prevent scratches on your wheels. That was kind of light. I wonder what the torque is on these. Seems like it comes off too easy. Guess we gotta figure out where the jack points are. And here is the jacking point on the Hellcat. Make sure you've got the wheel chock in front of the front tire. Back away from here. And then make sure you lower the car onto the jack stand. Go down real slow. There we go. There it is. Bugger. Oh, brand new tire. I just got the tire back from the tire shop, and so they did a patch on the outside as well as on the inside. Yep.
Did you choke it?
Yep. I'm going to torque this down to 130 foot-pounds using a cross pattern. And just like that, she's ready to go back on the road.